Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Nancy Chanchal. I am here with my new video, which is going to be all about tips and tricks you need to be aware while your preparations. Let's get started with the video. So, without wasting any further time, let's get started. So, first we are going to start with how to increase your speed, how not to get bored, how to keep the consistency on for next 4 months, because this month is almost about to end. So, how to increase your time? First of all, it's not going to happen just in one day and you're going to sit for 12 hours a day. So, you have to make a habit. Those who have already started, they'll be knowing that they are sitting enough good time for their preparation for. But those who have not started yet and are about to start again, so for them, at least start with 4 to 6 hours daily. That is the least you can do. It's not just for 2 hours you'll sit and whole day will be in some other things. So that is not going to work, because you have to increase time, and so you have to start with 4 to 6 hours. You can do 2 hour gap, 2 hours studying, then half an hour break, 2 hours studying, half an hour break. Or else who are having habits of sitting in a long way, they can keep it to 3 to 4 hours, and then in evening for revision for 2 hours, so that way they can keep. But 6 hours is the minimum time which you should be studying right now. If you are studying for 10 to 12 hours, that is very good, but minimum at least 6 hours you should be studying. There are other ways of keeping you sit for. You can make small targets without completing this topic. I'm not going to get up, so that is gonna help. Apart from that, I have saw reels on Instagram, some very interesting ways of teaching, some reading, studying till the candle goes off. So that is also a good plan, works for more of them. So that is the way, small ways you can. Another tip from my side: don't sit on bed and study. Please make a habit of sitting on study table. It's not like on bed you should not be studying, because I did the same. मैंने मेरी पूरी preparation bed पे बैठ कर की है. But bed पे क्या होता है, you become lazy, you lie down, you'll be sitting for 1 hour. Slowly you'll start going in a lying down mode. Please study on a study table. That is much better. You can keep your back straight, because 4 months while studying, everyone has had back pain. I can give you a guarantee of that. Those who are having from before, it is gonna get more worse. So please study on study table. Stay hydrated. Keep drinking water in between. Blink your eyes, because sitting in front of screen, who all are studying offline, they all are having classes there, but who all are studying online, taking from an app or anything, you're continuously seeing the screen. So dry eyes is specifically gonna come also for everyone. So please blink your eyes, put water in your eyes, make sure to wash your face after whenever you take the break. So these are some small habits which you can keep, so that you don't fall sick, and avoid any kind of bad environment or any kind of junk food, so that you don't get sick, because it is not the time to become sick. Just now how much also time you can give for studying, that is more than that is needed. No other kind of distractions are needed. So make sure you're healthy and you're eating well. And one more thing from my side which I used to do: analyze yourself and make a routine, make a chart of yourself, chart yourself. You can download Google Sheets or anywhere. Write down which date, today's date, which topic you read today, how much questions you solved today, how much hours you studied today. It should not be by clock, that you saw that I sat for 2 p.m. I sat and I got up at 6, so my 4 hours are done. No, you should be doing a stopwatch in your app, in your phone or in your tab, and by that you can analyze how much time did you sat. If you, whenever you'll take a break, if you're using phone in between, make sure you should make a habit to stop the stopwatch. By that you are not, you'll just come to know how much time you actually studied in the whole day. So that way you are going to chart yourself, which day you are going to give GT, your mock or your PYQs. Write it down, your first marks comparatively to the last marks. Do achievable goals which can be completed. It will motivate you, it will make you prepare for doing more for next day. If you're not satisfied at the end of the day that today what I planned I didn't did, don't sleep without completing it. It will be getting tomorrow never comes. Every day is going, exam date is fixed. That is not gonna change. Maximum it is gonna extend for 1 month more, but 1 month more means you are having more time for revision. So you can't keep the baggage. Whatever you have planned, complete it. Make sure to complete all 19 subjects. Don't leave any subjects. If you have, I said, I realized while my preparation, some of the mistakes which I used to do is I started my GT giving very late. I started it from September mid. So that was a mistake. You all should not be doing that. Start giving your GTs from now. How much more GTs? You don't get afraid of the marks. You'll come to know that what topics are weak, and are you doing silly mistakes, like हमारी habit होती है मेरी, I won't see the except words in questions. फॉल्स, ट्रू, ये सारे वर्ड्स दिखते ही नहीं थे मुझे. आई विल रीड द क्वेश्चंस एंड आई विल बी सीइंग द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन विच इज लुकिंग करेक्ट, आई विल मार्क दैट. So it will be a rush also, plus I won't read the question properly. So make sure to read the question at least twice, because बहुत लोगों को फर्स्ट टाइम में क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं आता है, मुझे भी नहीं आता है. सो एक बार ही पढ़ने के बाद जब सेकेंड टाइम पढ़ोगे देन मे बी यूल रियलाइज दैट ओके फॉल्स इज रिटन एट द आंसर, इनकरेक्ट इज रिटन और करेक्ट इज रिटन, एक्सेप्ट इज रिटन. सो ये सारे वर्ड्स क्वेश्चंस पढ़ने के टाइम पे निगलेक्ट हो जाते हैं. अगर तुम्हारे साथ भी हो रहा है तो इट्स नॉर्मल, सबके साथ होता है. जस्ट मेक श्योर 2 टाइम्स रीडिंग दो ताकि वो वर्ड कैच हो सके. एंड एवरी टाइम बिफोर एनालाइजिंग एन आंसर ये भी अपने क्वेश्चन पे अपने ब्रेन में क्वेश्चन करना, वाई आर द अदर 3 नॉट द ऑप्शन, आर नॉट द आंसर्स. So in that you'll learn to exclude the choices and you'll know that which I am marking the answer is the best answer or not. Apart from that, time management के लिए तुम्हें questions ही solve करने पड़ेंगे. There is no shortcut for time management because you have to sit for solving questions. उसके लिए habit बनानी पड़ेगी. There are 3 hours, 2.5 hour का पेपर होगा, उसमें तुम्हें questions सिर्फ solve नहीं करना है, time के within solve करना है. Make sure तुम time मैनेजमेंट भी कर रहे हो, उसके लिए तुम्हें जीटी ही देनी पड़ेगी. तो जीटी तुम्हें देनी पड़ेगी, स्टार्टिंग से दो, बेटर होगा. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जीटी दोगे तो तुम्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा तुम्हारे मिस्टेक्स पता चलेंगे. सो आर प्रिपरेशन while our preparation, Preeti ma'am used to say, how much also you want to do silly mistakes or any kind of mistakes, do it now only, so that no mistake should be done while exam. So thinking that in mind, जितनी मिस्टेक्स करनी है कर लो ताकि एग्जाम के टाइम पे कोई मिस्टेक्स नहीं हो. और अपने आप को खुद से टेस्ट करते रहा करो. एज इन कि तुमने एक टॉपिक कंप्लीट किया, अब तुम खाना खाने बैठे हो या तुम टीवी देख रहे हो या तुम कुछ भी कर रहे हो, तुमने ब्रेक लिया है, तो तुम ब्रेक में बिल्कुल ही एंटरटेनमेंट मोड पे मत चले जाओ. उस टॉपिक को अपने से क्वेश्चंस करते रहो अपने माइंड में कि मैंने ये पढ़ा था, चाहिए होगा तो ये इमरजेंसी में ये होना चाहिए, ये ड्रग ऑफ चॉइस होना चाहिए. अपने आप से क्वेश्चन करो, अपने आप को आंसर दो. तो उससे तुम्हारी रिकॉल पावर बढ़ेगी, तुम रिकॉल कर पाओगे चीज़ें. एंड ट्राई टू इमेजिन, सब चीज़ को अपने आंखों के सामने इमेजिन करना स्टार्ट करो. कि अपने नोट्स यूजुअली तुम्हें दिखता होगा, इफ़ यूल ट्राई टू रिकॉल एनीथिंग विच यू हैव रेड, इट विल कम इन द सेम पिक्टोरियल मैनर हाउ यू स्टडीड. लाइक तुम्हारे नोट्स के पेजेस टर्न हो गए तुम्हारे आंखों के सामने. यू विल बी सीइंग द एग्जैक्ट पेज ऑफ योर नोट्स, हाउ यू रोट एंड हाउ इट वॉज रिटन, और फ्रॉम वेयर ऑल्सो यू स्टडीड द टॉपिक फ्रॉम. यू विल बी सीइंग द एग्जैक्ट पेजेस इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर आइज, बिकॉज आवर ब्रेन रिमेंबर्स इन द पिक्चर्स फॉर्म. सो try to make charts of everything, try to write it from yourself and then you should be writing. सिर्फ वीडियोस देख के अगर तुम्हें याद हो जाएगा तो वो भूलने के चांसेस ज़्यादा है. बट अगर तुमने उसे एक बार लिख लिया है, इफ़ इट इज़ रिटन इन एनीवेयर इन योर हैंड राइटिंग, यू विल बी रिमेंबरिंग इट मच बेटर फॉर द नेक्स्ट टाइम. सो नोट्स बनाओ, शॉर्ट नोट्स बना के रखो, सो दैट रिविजन के लिए तुम्हें बहुत आसानी होगी. यू नो नीड टू रीड अ लॉट ऑफ डेटा अननेसेसरी. जो पॉइंट्स तुम्हें आते हैं, यू आर नॉट गोना फॉरगेट दैट. सो जो पॉइंट तुम्हारी वीक है, जो टॉपिक्स तुम्हारी वीक है, उसके शॉर्ट नोट्स बनाओ जहाँ पे भी तुम पढ़ रहे हो, फ्रंट ऑफ द वॉल. किसी ने मुझे बोला था कि मैं फुल डीमोटिवेटेड फील कर रहा हूँ, इसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए. सी, डीमोटिवेशन और मोटिवेशन इज़ पार्ट ऑफ द जर्नी. ये तो नहीं तुम्हारे हाथ में, कोई तुम्हें नो वन एल्स इज गोना मेक यू मोटिवेट और नो वन एल्स इज गोना डीमोटिवेट. या डोंट कंपेयर योर सेल्फ विद एनीवन कि मेरे फ्रेंड की पढ़ाई ज़्यादा अच्छे से हो रही है, उसके मार्क्स ज़्यादा अच्छे आ रहे हैं, मेरे मार्क्स नहीं अच्छे आ रहे. इट्स 2 डिफरेंट ह्यूमन ब्रेन्स, नो ब्रेन्स आर सेम. उसकी गेन करने की कैपेसिटी ज़्यादा होगी तुमसे, तुम्हारी गेन करने की कैपेसिटी थोड़ी स्लो होगी. इट्स ओके, एवरीवन इज फास्ट लर्नर एंड स्लो लर्नर्स, नो वन इज ऑन सेम लेवल. सो डोंट कंपेयर योर प्रिपरेशन विद समवन एल्सेस प्रिपरेशन. एग्जाम इज नॉट अबाउट मार्क्स, एग्जाम इज अबाउट पासिंग. तुम्हें सिर्फ 150 लाना है एग्जाम पास करने के लिए, एंड दैट इज़ मोर देन इनफ. जो भी मोर देन दैट इज़ अ बोनस फॉर यू. सो मेक श्योर 150 is the target, not to achieve more than your friends and more than your competitors. You are studying for yourself, everyone is studying for yourself. ये exam is not about competition. So उसके competition का time आएगा बाद में. Just now just pass, that should be your main goal. And stay positive, try to stay positive. Positivity बहुत ज़्यादा important है. Give positive vibes in your environment. Stay with positive peoples. Don't stay with peoples who are putting negative thoughts in your brain, who are trying to make you negative or who are giving unnecessary tensions and rumors to you. Don't believe them. Exam is not going to be hard, next paper is not going to be hard. Everyone feels everything is hard when my turn comes. Even I have that thing. For me, exam hota hai. If you have studied well, I said in my first video also, if you have studied well, exam is going to be easy. If you have not studied anything, exam is going to be hell hard. So it's just that they also know, they also are not going to put any new topic in front of you. No new diseases is going to come just suddenly on your exam day. All diseases, all the topics are going to be same. It's just how are you approaching the questions. So stay positive, try to say only the positive things. Say every day before you sleep and you get up, I can and I will. right down in front of you. You have already cracked your exam. It's just a process and you're on the right track. You're doing whatever is needed and you are going very nicely, and you are going to crack this exam and you're going to make everyone proud. So stay positive and keep everyone positive near you. Don't demotivate anyone. Don't give unnecessary suggestions to anyone. Everyone is doing their best, and no one should be thinking that I should pass and my friends should not pass. The ones are also said us to say the same thing. So say to yourself every day, may I pass and my friends also pass. So that is something which will motivate you and it will keep you positive. So be positive and just keep studying. Don't think about anything, don't do anything else, just keep studying and work hard. This time is going to be your time. Just say to yourself and believe in that. So that is all, and I'll see you in next video. See you.